guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. So today's video is an unboxing, and this is from a good friend of mine, PACO, and I'm scared to open the package. So let's see what happens. You better not do me wrong, man. Better not, no freaking doll heads or something in there. Man, I can't even cut the box. Oh, you bonehead. Oh, sweet. Hammer handle. That's a nice one. A bunch of garbage. Jackass. He sent me one of his Pete and Kevin Car Club International stickers, which is hella funny because Kevin is PACO, and then Pete, we call him RP, and then it's a Car Club International because one guy's on the Canadian side, one guy's on the US side, and that's the only two guys in the whole club, so it's the Pete and Kevin's Car Club International. I get a kick out of that. And this is for our door. I'm scared. You suck. So it says, hello, Arlo. So we were at a car show. I got to tell you a quick story. We were at a car show over in War Road, and I filled out the slip, and it said, let me fix this camera. So I filled out the slip on my Roadster when we were all there showing our cars at this car show, and I put Arco Horton, but when it said ARCO, the C looked kind of like an L. So when I won the trophy or whatever, the guy's like, Arlo, and so they've been teasing me, it's Arlo. And then that night, Heidi was at the bar. We were all having dinner and stuff, hanging out with a bunch of the people. And some lady comes up, she's like, Michelle, and she starts talking to Heidi, and like 20 minutes in, she tells Heidi, she's like, you're not even Michelle, are you? And Heidi's like, no, but she went along with it. It was awesome. That's the ugliest freaking doll I've ever seen in my life. That's messed up. All right, let's see what else we got here. Oh, I know what that is. Oh, this looks sweet too. Hi, Veronica. I know they're giggling right now with their freaking doll heads and stuff in there. I knew you guys were gonna do that to me. Oh, damn. What? Oh, that's tight. Holy crap, that's sick. Damn, dude, that looks like your car. Yeah, that's tight. Look at this wall hanger. And it's got the MNOC for Minnesota Outlaw Customs on it. That's pretty trick. That's gotta go up like right here somewhere. That thing's metal too on. Hell yeah, thanks bro, that's badass right there, like that. Sweet. Oh, and this is the thing I've been waiting for right here. You guys will like this. I gotta be careful not to rip it or cut it or tear into it or something. I can't get it open fast enough. So they were at a bar in Grand Rapids. I guess this is how the story goes. This is what PACO was telling me. They were at a bar, and he asked the lady behind the bar if they could get this pool deal, what do you call those, beer tap. And check it out. You guys know the name of my car is Rogue. So there's the new shift handle for the car. Oops. How sick is that? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this part off. So that'll be the shift handle for the car. Damn, bro, that's sick. Love that. You sure I don't want to leave that on there? It says Paradise Pucker. Dare, risk, dream. Yeah, that part's getting cut off. Yeah, that is sick, though. I love that. Cool. Thanks, bro. I appreciate it, you guys. That's awesome. Hell yeah. Okay, I'm less scared now. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Thanks, you guys. Later.